Hello friends. Okay, so now we're on day 7 of our 30-day declutter, and today I'm going to be ruthless here in my refrigerator. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to welcome you here. My name is Michelle, and my channel is all about reclaiming peace in our lives through cleaning, organizing, and setting up routines. On the first 30 days of a new year, I like to go through my home and pull out as much clutter as I possibly can. So this year, I thought it would just be fun to come to you every day for the next 30 days and ask you to come along with me as I set my timer for 15 minutes and I take care of hidden areas in our home that is notorious for collecting clutter. Now the key here is to only use that 15 minutes for decluttering. We will be going back later on in the months to go in and organize these areas, but for right now, we need to get out as much clutter as we possibly can. So if you haven't already subscribed, please take a second to hit that red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. You don't want to miss one of these decluttering videos because when you follow along with me, you're going to be amazed at the amount of clutter that you're going to be able to get out of your home in the next 30 days. All right, so let me tell you what I'm doing here, as if you can't already tell. Anyways, what I'm doing is I am checking all the expiration dates on the food. I'm also combining any food that can be combined. Now that we're not having our summer barbecues by the pool and the Christmas party is now over, I have a lot of extra food in here that some of it has expired because it was from the summer, and then some of it we just absolutely don't need and it's going to expire, and then others I just need to combine. So that's what I'm doing here now. As you can see, our family really enjoys their hot sauces and their pickles and also olives. So I've got quite a few of those. We do use a lot of this for charcuterie boards as well. So that's where a lot of the olives came from. And I do have a pregnant daughter and she likes her pickles when she comes over. So that's why I still have those. Can't find the expiration date on some of these things, so when in doubt I go ahead and throw it out. Now I make sure that it isn't something that I recently bought, but if I can't remember when I bought it and I can't find the expiration date on it, I'm just going to go ahead and chunk it. Now the refrigerator could really use a good cleaning. However, I don't have enough time in my 15 minutes to get in there and do that. So just like with you, like I'm asking you, I'm only going to stick to the 15 minutes to get in here and declutter as much as I can out of here. Now I would suggest that if you're zone cleaning in your kitchen, go ahead and add the inside of your refrigerator to your zone cleaning for this month. I'm also doing that in other places around the house that I'm going to be decluttering that I'd really like to get in there and do some cleaning, like the refrigerator and my pantry. But I don't have the time in my 15 minutes to do it. So I'm going to add that into my zone cleaning for the week that I'm in there, which is this week. This coming up week, I am in the kitchen. So I will be zone cleaning in the refrigerator by giving it a good deep clean. Here's a little suggestion, and yes, I'm laughing at myself, but here's a little suggestion. If you make videos and you are speeding them up for any reason, don't chew gum. I'm chewing gum and it looks awful when you speed up the video. Anyways, just a little laugh at myself. Okay, before anybody says it, yes, I feel awful throwing out all this food, but I want to remind you we just had a big Christmas party here, and a lot of this is from the Christmas party, like all the grapes, and there's some cherries and things like that. Those all went on charcuterie boards and things like that. So I'm saving everything that I can possibly use in upcoming meals, but the other things I'm getting rid of because I'm not going to use it, and it's just going to sit in this refrigerator. This banana nut bread was given to us by one of our family members. We ate as much as we're going to eat, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. And then I'll unpackage some of the things that belong to the grandkids. Again, usually I have this very organized, but the grandkids have gotten in here and taken a lot of it out, especially during the Christmas party. Just like the drawer that I showed you, I think yesterday or maybe the day before. It was the day before. I showed you that I have a snack drawer for the kids, and that's empty because the grandkids all went in there and ate it all up. And then I have two of these Bries that didn't get used at the Christmas party. Now, they seem to have a very long shelf life if you keep them in the refrigerator. So I think it was like almost a year. I had no idea that Brie could last that long, and I probably won't hold on to it that long. I'm sure that I'll find something to make with it. If not me, one of my daughters will probably have a charcuterie board, and I'll pass it on to them. But we do like Brie here, so I'll probably use it. And I'm sure that we will have some sort of party that I can use it for. Anyways, I'm going to continue in this drawer, and I'm going to get everything out, and then we will be done in our refrigerator. Now, tomorrow I'll be coming back, and we are going to do the freezer. And that thing is packed. I have been holding on to food in there for so long that it really needs to be, all the expiration dates really need to be looked at, and I need to pull things out. So anyways, I just got a new order from my butcher box, and I'm running out of places to put the meat because I have too much other junk, and I mean junk, in there. So we're going to get in there tomorrow, and we're going to pull all that out. Okay, so this is everything that I pulled out of the refrigerator. There's also stuff in those bags. I'm going to take all this and I'm going to put it into a trash bag and throw it all out. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you think that I'm doing a good job. And I will see you again in tomorrow's video where we're going to clean that deep freezer. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.